2. This is a big reveal. We've actually had it undercover for 48 hours, this stripper. So now to take it off, let's see what it's like. I've actually covered the floor so we don't get any mess on the floor. Once again, safety goggles, gloves and an out jacket. This stuff gets all over the place, but let's just see how it's done after 48 hours. Right, first things first, let's peel the plastic bag off and let's see what we're left with underneath. Put the bag in a bin bag out of the way. As you can see, it's actually changed colour. So we'll get a scraper on the job. We're using a tub here, a bit of newspaper to scrape off. So let's have a quick shufty. Took quite a bit off. We've been on 48 hours of this. Probably could have left it a little bit longer, to be honest. As you can see, it's taking the paint right down. Still soft underneath, so it's worked its magic. You can see the anti-slip starting to show as well. Probably took about 3 layers off. If I left it a bit longer, it's probably going to take more off. But we do snow, so I don't want to leave it get stuck. You can see that's taken the paint off quite well, really, considering how much sanding it would have taken to get it all off. What I'm going to do now is give it a good scrub down. That's my dog. I'm going to give it another scrub down and with some hot water and a scraper and see how we go. Just got a bucket of hot water. Pan scrub somewhere. It's just a wire wool pan scrub. Let's see what this takes off. See if it takes it down more. Yeah, it's actually taking quite a bit off. As you can see, the colour from the gel coat's coming through now. You can see where it's not actually penetrated. Like I said, maybe another day or so and we'd have been in a better situation. But we drew some snow and I didn't want to leave it on. So as you can see, it took it back to the gel coat, 4 layers of paint off. So Do I think it's a good move? Yeah, it's a good move. A quick once over now with orbital sander, and we should be some bit like. The boat's not going to be a prima donna of a boat, but we want a nice coat of paint on it. Right people, I've been at it about 10 minutes to do the rinse off and see what we're like underneath. As you can see, the actual stripper is actually on the sides, it's actually blistered it down to gel coat as well. So a quick once over in orbital will take that off. The anti-slip tread on the top, I'll probably give that another coat and leave it another day or so. But in my opinion, is it worth using it? Yeah, I think it is. It saved quite a bit of time as that. You were trying to sand all that down, you just couldn't get in between all this here where the anti-slip is. That's another layer of it, leave it for another 24 hours and then come back to it then. Right, this side has been left for full 60 hours. As you can see, it's took it right down. So yes, 60 hours is better than 48 hours. This hasn't been rubbed down yet either with wire wool. So my personal opinion is, yeah, leave it for 60 hours. It hasn't damaged the gel coat whatsoever. But we're looking good. Right, so what conclusion have we come to? Yeah, it's a good paint stripper, without a doubt. If we have a quick look round boat, we're probably looking, all in all, with stripper and a bit of sanding. It's not finished, don't get me wrong, but we're only probably looking at 8-9 hours all in for all the top. Done the inside as well. Like I say, I don't think it's bad for 8 hours, 9 hours work. Like I said, this side same. We're down to checker plate on slip. This is the bit that I did, made it last a little bit longer. I left it for another 12, 24 hours. As you can see, that's not been sanded yet, and that's down to the non-slip. So yeah, all in all, personally, I think it's a good buy. Saves all that sanding with mechanical sander. So yeah, anyway, that's the end of the video. Well, that's the end of the video. If you like the content, press the red button, smash that bell. I think our next one could possibly be starting work on the transom. We'll see how that one goes, we'll see how the weather goes, but I think that's it. As it is for now, bye for now.